So I need to tell you now how the amplitude for E5 and E6 has to be taken. So this is your figure, third circle. Okay, let me just quickly show you the third circle. So this circle I have drawn. This is your base. Okay, and it is at 45 degrees. So the same figure I have drawn one more time. See, this was the earlier E3 and E4 you had got in the previous. Further, your field is resolved into two more components. One is E5 and one more is E6. Okay. So this is your theta. This is just like your first figure because 45 degrees difference hai. This is your angle theta. This is your 90 minus theta. Now, my motive is to represent E5 and E6 new components in terms of older components E3 and E4. Okay, looking from the value, looking from the figure, if I want E5, check the true triangles. Base is common. Okay, E5 is base. This is the angle theta. Opposite line, this segment is your opposite base and E3 is your hypotenuse. So taking that, base is E5. So base by hypotenuse is cos theta. I'm not interested in opposite word. Okay, this opposite segment. So I am going to express in terms of base, that is cos angle. So E5 by E3 is cos theta. So what is E5? E3 cos theta. Similarly, coming to this triangle, I want to express E6 in terms of E4. This is the angle theta. This is a 90 minus theta. Let me take this triangle. What is E5 is equal to? The base. This is a base, common. Sorry, not E6. I'm still in E5 only. So E5 is your base. I want to express E5 in terms of E3 and E4. So one is over. I have expressed in terms of E3 from this triangle, first triangle. Coming to the second triangle, observe the second triangle. The base is E5. This is your angle. इसका opposite वाला जो segment है, this is opposite. ये 90 degrees होगा. This is your hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse, E5 by E4. E5 by E4 is cos of the angle, cos of 90 minus theta, or E5 is equal to E4 sin theta. So for E5, I have got two values. So whether I should add or I should subtract. Look at the figure and tell me whether I should add them or should I subtract them. Because two values I have got, overall I have to calculate. I am expressing E5 in terms of E3 once and in terms of E4 once. Finally, I have to get the overall value of the E5. Whether I should add them or should I subtract them. Yes, we have to add them because you can see for first triangle and for second triangle, your base is common. So two components are in the same direction. So you have to add them. So I have added. So one E5 component value we got. Okay. So E5 is what? E3 plus E4. You can see E5 is E3 plus E4. Same thing I have taken from that figure. Now I have to calculate E6. For E6, coming to this figure again, the second figure. This diagram I have drawn one more time just to get rid of the confusions, because single diagram, lot of lines, it will be confusing. So again, already in the second figure, we had E3 and E4. The new lines, the new fields are E5 and E6. Now, looking at this, I want E6. E6 in terms of E4 and E3. Hello. So in terms of E4, if I want to explain this E6, in the form of E4, I want to represent E6. Consider this triangle. It is very much direct. Okay, ये first triangle ले लो. थीटा ऑलरेडी आपके पास है, ये 90 डिग्रीज होगा. थीटा के ऑपोजिट वाला जो साइड है, दिस इज ऑपोजिट, दिस इज द बेस. So base is E6, E6 by E4 is cos theta. E6 by E4 is cos theta. Opposite, base by hypotenuse is cos theta. So E6 is 1. एक वैल्यू आ गया directly. Now, I want E6 in terms of E3. There is no such connection here in the figure. What I will do, I will extend this line below. कौन सा वाला है? This is E6. E6 line I am dragging in the opposite direction. So now I can do something here with this line and this line. So what I will do, I will make a triangle here. ये जो आपका unknown value है E6, this is your base. Base है, if this is your theta, this is your 90 minus theta, total angle is 90 degrees. ये वाला base हो गया. ये angle का जो opposite segment है, that is your opposite base hypotenuse. Hypotenuse E3 है. So E6 by E3, base by hypotenuse is cos of angle 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. E6 is E3 sin theta. So I have got two different values. E6 के दो values आए हैं, एक E4 के terms में आया है, एक E3 के terms में आया है. Now you tell me whether I should add them or should I subtract them. You can see in the earlier, both were in the same direction, we added. Observe the direction here. For E6, subtract. We have to subtract because both are in the opposite direction. For E6 here, it is in the upwards, here it is downwards. Observe the directions for E6. Since they are in the opposite direction, I will subtract the components. E4 cos theta minus E3 sin theta. So the same amplitude value I have taken for E6. See, E4 cos theta minus E3 sin theta. So now you got how those amplitudes came. Now further simplification. Check the values. Next, what I have done for E3 and E4, I have substituted. What is E3? E3 is, in the previous slide, we have calculated E3. E3 is E naught e raised to minus j theta e raised to minus j 3 beta 1 L. ये E3 का वैल्यू है. Similarly, we have even calculated E4 minus j e naught e raised to minus j theta e raised to minus j 3 beta 1 L. So equation 5 and 6 से E3 E4 के values आ जाएंगे. I will substitute them. So this is your E3. This is your E4, and remaining is cos and sine, cos and sine. Again, the length is L, as I have explained you, because आपका plate का length L है. So again, phase is beta 1 for first component. E6 के लिए we will take beta 2. Simply, just further simplification, take E naught e raised to minus j theta common. You'll be left with inside cos minus j sine, cos minus j sine. Exponential term check करो, यहाँ पर एक है, inside you have 3. 3 plus 1 totally 4. Then you have one more here. If you represent this in the polar form, e raised to minus j theta. So we have got 2 times theta. Okay, this is the equation 7. Observe, you have got 2 theta. Okay, we started with theta. Here finally equation 7, it is E5 component, parallel component, we got 2 theta. Similarly, E6, we have just now seen how this amplitude came. E raised to minus j beta 2L, second phase beta 2 hai. E4 and E3 I will substitute. This is your E4, this is your E3. Cos and sine as it is. And beta 2 को मैंने beta 1 में express किया है. How? Just by following the previous explanation, I will get j term. When you take the phase difference between them as pi by 2, you can express beta 2 in terms of beta 1. Substituting that, again further simplification, take minus E naught e raised to minus j theta common. You will be left with, यहाँ पर माइनस है, माइनस कॉमन लिए हैं तो कॉस बचेगा, you have a j term, so j cos theta बचेगा, माइनस कॉमन है, you have a sin term, so sin plus j cos theta है. And how many exponentials are there? Inside you have 3 beta 1, outside you have 1, 3 plus 1, so totally 4 beta 1 terms, and one more extra j term is outside. Okay, then minus this as it is, this j term I have kept as it is here, exponential as it is. In this bracket, sin plus j cos theta, take j common. You'll be left with cos plus 1 by j. What is 1 by j? Minus j. 1 by j is equal to j as it is. J square is minus 1. So it is minus j. So I have written cos minus j sin theta into exponential. And minus j, one more term you have. There is minus, there is j. So minus j into j, you have j square. There is outside j, two j terms, j square minus 1 into minus 1 plus e naught as it is, exponentially cos minus j sin is e raised to minus j sin j theta. So 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 theta into exponentially 4 beta 1 L. So equation 7 and 8 are your horizontal and vertical components which are coming out after the third plate, after your last plate which is having the length L. यहाँ पर observe करो, what is the amplitude? Both are E naught. Check, it is same. I have forgotten to write a negative sign. Sorry, add it. Both are negative. Any other? Both are same. You see, you observe E5 and E6 components. Both values, equation 7 and 8, you get the same. So observe that the components E5 and E6, they are at the output end. The last जो plate है आपके जो phase shifter में, the third, the output lambda by 4 quarter wave section है. After that, the output after that is E5 and E6. Okay. So finally, if you want to take its magnitude and phase तो दोनों का same है. You can see minus j2 theta, minus j2 theta. So they are in phase. Amplitude क्या है? E naught है, E naught है. So every term is same in equation 7 and 6. So what you can conclude with this? Whatever E5 and E6, they come out at the output port after your last plate, they are equal in magnitude and they are in a phase. क्योंकि एंगल दोनों का सेम है, फेज दोनों का सेम है, so they are in a phase to produce the resultant field which is linearly polarized. Because quickly let me show you the figure for phase shifter. Inside when it enters TE10 mode, because rectangular waveguide, in the circular section TE11 mode conversion होता है. At the end again we have a transition from circular to rectangular. So again यहाँ पर मुझे TE10 mode आना चाहिए because rectangular है output port. So input and output should match. TE10 mode enter हुआ, TE10 mode exit होगा. So from 10 to 11 जब यहाँ पे convert होता है, linear to circular polarization occurs. From this to this again it is same क्योंकि circular ही है throughout length. From this to this again circular to linear conversion होना चाहिए. Finally output हमारा linearly polarized wave रहेगा. So finally the resultant field, it is a linearly polarized TE. Sorry, I have written wrong. It is TE10 mode. Okay, TE10 mode. So in a hurry I did this. So how you write the overall resultant value? You take the magnitude, square root of E5 and E6 squares, right? Root means square, what you take? The magnitude, how you calculate the magnitude. Sorry, not root means square. It is magnitude. You magnitude, how you calculate? Take E5 and E6 squares. of their magnitudes. So this is your magnitude, E naught e raised to this, E naught e raised to this, because theta is our phase. So take that, take the magnitude of this, it is square root of 2 times E naught square, and I have simplified this. Or how you write the final output? Finally all together दोनों को क्लब करके आपका मैग्नीट्यूड कितना आया? रूट ऑफ 2 ई नॉट स्क्वायर एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल स्क्वायर. अगर आप ये रूट को एंड स्क्वायर को ये दोनों को कैंसिल करोगे तो यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ रूट 2 ई नॉट स्क्वायर एंड रूट कैंसिल होके ई नॉट बचेगा. एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म का स्क्वायर एंड रूट कैंसिल होके सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंशियल बचेगा. एंड व्हाट इज द फेज फॉर योर आउटपुट? इट इज 2 थीटा. सो ई नॉट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 7 एंड 8 जो E5 एंड E6 है, हमने उसका रिजल्टेंट निकाला है. हाउ यू गॉट रिजल्टेंट? फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड, write your output in terms of magnitude and phase. So from this equation, finally we can conclude that your output is, okay, what is this? Root 2 E naught. Initially, when we got EI by root 2 is equal to E naught we have substituted. Just try to recall it. In equation 1 and 2 we have done that. Okay, I'll show you the slide. You can recall it. E naught is equal to EI by root 2. We have replaced it here. Okay, so again, if I resubstitute those by some simple rearrangements, if I do that, what I get? Root 2 E naught. What is root 2 into E naught? It is EI. Substitute that. EI into exponential term. Exponential मैंने सिर्फ क्लब किया है. ये जो दो हैं exponential terms, I have clubbed both. 4 beta 1 and 2 theta. 4 beta 1 and 2 theta I have combined. So E naught E output, जो output port से जो निकलेगा wave, that is in terms of EI, जो incident wave है. What is the phase difference between both? You can see that is polarization of E output and EI. They are same except the phase change. What is the phase change? It is 2 theta plus 4 beta 1 L. So what is 4 beta 1 L? It is the phase due to the length of the dielectric. क्योंकि हमने length change किया है. First time L, then 2L, then L. So that's why it is totally 4 beta 1 L. And there is a phase shift of 2 theta. So phase shift of 2 theta can be obtained by rotating your lambda by 2 plate. जो center section में जो plate है, उसको if you rotate it precisely through an angle theta, you will get the phase shift 2 theta. Suppose if you take the angle of 30 degrees here, you will get the phase shift of 60 degrees. So it is a precision phase shifter. You can get the value, whatever desired value of the phase shift, you can get just by adjusting this angle theta. जो भी theta adjust होगा, उसका double value phase shift होगा. Okay, so this is about the phase shifter. So I think almost some 3 sessions we have taken for this phase shifter. So this completes the phase shifter part.